for Halloween. We're gonna pass out candy to the kids. But I gotta DIY some of this stuff. So let's see how it goes. So hubby wanted to show me his Halloween mask from Five Below. It was a deal.
Oh. Okay.
Can you see the
Where
one?
did you go? Bro.
And this is the finished look, but I'm gonna show y'all how I made it. I'm using hot glue gun for this. I have to push it out because I need another stick. Oh, still want it. I should have got some scissors. Babe, can you bring me some scissors?
Yeah.
Okay, because I need to cut this ribbon. Okay, this is it. It's not perfect, but I think it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna use this and these to make a little white layer around the bottom. So I'll just show y'all when I'm finished. Good thing my grandma taught me how to sew when I was a kid. Stitching up stuff since. Started or splits in the jeans because they split here. Just do a little over under action. Found this with my sewing kit. I don't know how we got it. And just going these cotton balls on the hot glue and the sewn yellow paper. I'm making quesadillas again, but it's Halloween, so I had to get the fit. I had a sheer red top and I put on a black long sleeve under it and made the yellow belt out of the same paper that I had earlier.